Today we finally got a glimpse at Filori, which is slated to release on March 24th, and we're with the cast Dildeep Dosanjh, Anushka Sharma and the director Anshai Lal. So my first question is, the name Filori is a very unique name for a movie title. We're used to the Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum and those kind of movies. So how was the name Filori chosen for the movie?
So effectively, where in the olden times and still prevails today, that people that used to be from certain villages were named after those villages. Like Diljit sir's from Dosanjh. There are people from Lahore were called Lahoris. So when we were doing our recce, we stumbled upon Filor, and Filori had a very nice ring to it, and yeah, that's how the title came about.
When we see the trailer which came out today, it looks like a romantic comedy with a twist of drama in it as well. So how does this movie, how is it different from other rom-coms that we're used to watching in Bollywood many a times?
See, that was the idea actually, because normally a genre like rom-coms, I mean, I don't know how to clearly define this though, but they're normally a certain way, there's a certain type of story that you're trying to tell. Boy meets girl, and then there's some conflict and all of that. But I think in this film we've tried to do something different. There's an introduction of this ghost who's a friendly spirit, which is the character that I'm playing, and we've tried to merge technology, VFX, creating a new character. I think it's one of its kind. It was created from scratch. There's no body to her. So visually it's very different. The idea is to always try and say different stories, and differently is the only way you can say it.
As newly as possible that you can tell those stories.
So the cast is a very diverse. You have Anushka, you have Diljit, you have Suraj and you have Mehreen. So how was the casting process done for the movie?
It is a diverse cast, and the requirement of the film was that there should be a diverse cast. Conceptually the film is new. It needed a certain amount of freshness. So we were very clear even during the inception of the idea that the casting had to be thought of very, very carefully. Suraj I met earlier. Abhishek,
completely different avatar
the people from Casting Bay, Abhishek and Anmol, they had met Suraj for a couple of things that they were doing. The name popped up, we met him. Of course, I had seen him in Homeland, Life of Pi. But he is from Delhi. उसकी हिंदी बहुत साफ है और एक उसकी colloquial एक touch है उसका when he talks. Of course, Diljit sir, we've seen his work. We were all fans of his songs. Anushka had seen Jet and Juliet. I had seen Punjab 84. And yeah, there's this Chaitanya sir हैं हमारे who sort of got in touch with sir and set up a meeting. That meeting went on really well, and yeah, the outcome is
because we are sitting here.
Yeah.
Last year you burst into Bollywood with Uttar Punjab and got a lot of critical acclaim for the movie. तो आपने Filori क्यों choose किया आपके next project के लिए?
हाँ सर, क्यों choose करिए आपने Filori?
हमें भी बताएं.
काफ़ी रीजन है. पहला रीज़न तो स्टोरी था. जब मैंने स्टोरी सुनी मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी. उसके बाद ऑफ कोर्स अनुष्का मैम और इनका अपना प्रोडक्शन हाउस. सो NH10 मैंने देखी थी. सो जैसी पिक्चर इन्होंने चूज़ की थी पहली, मुझे लगा कि हाँ यार ये भी स्टोरी बहुत अच्छी चूज़ की, तो ये फिल्म भी मुझे करनी चाहिए. एंड थर्ड मुझे लगता है कि क्योंकि पंजाब की स्टोरी है, फिलौर की. बाजी के साथ मैंने पहले कब काम किया नहीं था, तो लेकिन जब मैं मिला तो बहुत अच्छा लगा और बहुत सीरियस है अपने काम को लेके, एक चीज़ को लेके, एक चीज़. मैंने इतना डिटेलिंग मैंने पहले जितने भी डायरेक्टर्स के साथ काम किया, इतनी डिटेलिंग मैंने किसी को करते हुए नहीं देखा.
So you're playing a ghost in the movie. Friendly Spirit. I personally am really scared of horror movies, but when I saw the trailer and I saw the ghostly figure, I got a laugh out of it and I really liked it. So how is it like you must be asked this question a lot of time, how is it like playing a ghost in a movie finally as a proper character and not just as a supernatural figure, as a proper titular character? How is that?
I think as an actor you're always looking to do new stuff, and I think I've always tried to do that with the films that I've selected, because then that's the fun, and I'm here in the business because I love acting, and I got the opportunity in this film to play a ghost. So I guess playing human became too mainstream, Humans, everyone's playing a human. I'm going to play a ghost. But I think when in a story, when you have a good story, when you have a good point that the director's trying to make and a good voice that he's trying to present, usme if you find a good character like I did, I guess that's a great amalgamation of all things. So yeah, I mean it was the same actually, quite honestly, shooting as a ghost and shooting as a person same ही था, क्योंकि हूँ तो मैं इंसान ही, but it was really taxing क्योंकि वो जिस तरह से we've shot it and she's always suspended mid-air, एक angle हमेशा maintain करके रखना पड़ता था, and then constantly everything was
challenging.
Yeah, so it was literally like when you paint, यार इसका ये एंगल करेक्ट नहीं है, तो एक्टिंग वो सब कुछ सोच के करना पड़ रहा था कि इसका एंगल करेक्ट नहीं, इसका एंगल ऐसे हो जाएगा तो फिर उसकी लोअर बॉडी ठीक नहीं लगेगी, तो वो सब कुछ. एंड VFX, रेड चिलीज VFX ने करी ये फिल्म. Harry, who was on set with us, was constantly like, hey, this is not right, that's not right. So I guess it was always something that was very intricately done, but ho gaya.
It's a very good looking ghost.
Thank you.
Can't be prettier.
Yeah. So this is for Diljit and for Anshay. How is Anushka Sharma like a producer? We've seen her as the actor, but as a producer, how is she behind the camera?
मैंने तो कभी नहीं फील नहीं किया मैम को प्रोड्यूसर्स. उनके भाई बहुत ही प्यारे इंसान हैं, वो भी बेचारे लगते ही नहीं प्रोड्यूसर्स, बहुत ही प्यारी जोड़ी है. सो ऐसा कोई मैंने फीलिंग मुझे आई नहीं.
बहुत हैंड्स ऑन प्रोड्यूसर हैं यार ये. ऑल्सो सी एज अ फर्स्ट टाइम डायरेक्टर, द thing that I look forward to apart from getting the film made is support, and that is what I can ask for. Keen's has been really good in providing the support. She's a fantastic producer. If you're asking me how is she as a producer, she's a fantastic producer. She takes care. So again, there's Karnesh involved in it. ये दोनों साथ में चलते हैं. It's unfair.
हम twins हैं, twins.
Unfair to give credit to one and not take the other person's name.
In fact, more credit should be given to my brother only.
Yeah. They're very solid together. Crew's looked after. Creatively, you are looked after. There's never once I've been told कि ये नहीं कर सकते. They figure out a way to sort of take your vision forward. I've been given everything that I asked for. So it was a boon for me. I got lucky. I lucked out with these guys.
We lucked out because you gave us a great idea.
Yeah.
So as a producer, you're acting as well as producing in the movie, and you did so in NH10 as well. How difficult is it? Because it's two very important part of filmmaking. So how did you balance between the both filmmaking as well as acting?
When I'm shooting the film as an actor, then I try to focus fully on that job, and I think with both NH10 and this film, it was very taxing for me. But the thing is, ये जो मैं एक बात बताती हूँ आपको. एक्चुअली मैंने रिसेंटली नोटिस किया था. आई वॉकड आउट ऑफ दिस सेट अप शूटिंग फॉर द रिंग, एंड बाहर ना वहाँ पे टेबल पे यूजुअली जो प्रोडक्शन वाले होते हैं ना, वो सेट के बाहर टेबल पे बैठे रहते हैं और चेयर पे, प्रोडक्शन मैनेजर, EP एंड ऑल. तो पहले जब मैं उनको देखती थी ना, मैं निकलती थी बाहर, सोचती थी यार कुछ करते ही नहीं है यार, हम लोग कितनी मेहनत कर रहे हैं, वहाँ पे लोग बाहर बैठे हुए हैं. अब क्या ना, मेरे को पता है वो लोग बेचारे इन्होंने कितनी मेहनत करी है फिल्म के पहले एंड अभी फिल्म के बाद. So I think I've realized as an actor that shooting process is actually the easiest process of making a film. Putting a film together, starting a project and then releasing the film is far more difficult. But if you have a good team, which we did, and you have a good system in place, which we did, then I think it becomes easier. And ultimately, like he said, like we're not like producers, we are filmmakers. We are trying to collaborate with amazing talent like Anshay, like Diljit, and create movies and create content which is different, which is unique. We tried to do that with NH10. It was appreciated really well. We're doing it again with Filori, and constant endeavor is to tell new stories and back fresh talent. So I guess it's just that.
So for the both of y'all, the chemistry is very palpable when you see the trailer. So what was it like working for the first time with each other?
Which actually is great because we never spoke through the film. We've spoken very little because दिलजीत बहुत कम बात करते हैं और बहुत गर्मी थी, तो उस समय पे हम दोनों बड़ा फोकस्ड रहते थे कि हम लोगों को करना क्या है, बिकॉज 47-50 तक मतलब टेम्परेचर रीच करता था. बट नहीं, इनके साथ में लकीली हार्नेस पे नहीं थी. आई वाज ग्राउंडेड.
हार्नेस पे नहीं थी. कपड़े बहुत मोटे थे. देयर वाज अ टेक्सचर दैट वी वर गोइंग टू द फिल्म, और 47 डिग्रीज में इन्होंने चुन्नियां ली हुई हैं, पूरे कपड़े पहने हुए हैं. वो अगेन दैट्स
बेटर देन ADHM इन द स्नो विद द साड़ी.
नहीं वो ऐसा नहीं. ठंडी में डील कर लेती हूँ, गर्मी नहीं होती है. So if people are saying it's the chemistry is good, I think that is because of the freshness in the pairing. And I think that's also because Diljit is such a good actor. उसी वजह से केमिस्ट्री बनती है फिल्मों में, लोगों को लड़का लड़की की वजह से नहीं होती है, वो कैरेक्टर्स की वजह से होती है और एक्टर्स की जो परफॉर्मेंस होती है उसकी वजह से होती है. सो आई थिंक ही इज़ अ वेरी ऑनेस्ट एक्टर एंड ऑन स्क्रीन यू सी दैट सो आई गेस दैट्स वाई पीपल आर फाइंडिंग इट इंटरेस्टिंग. ऑल्सो बहुत समय बाद हम लोग ये देख रहे हैं ना, ये ओल्ड वर्ल्ड टाइप ऑफ लव स्टोरी एंड chemistry. So I think that's also the reason why people are getting very impressed by it.
आपको कैसा लगा अनुष्का के साथ काम करने?
बहुत अच्छा लगा जी. Obviously बहुत बड़ा मौका था मेरे लिए और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा and thanks पूरी टीम का, अंशाय सर का, अन्विता मैम और गणेश सर का कि मुझे इस फिल्म में कास्ट किया और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा काम करके.
So when the audience does go and watch the movie, what do you want them to take away from the movie, like the moral of the story? What do you want them to take? Happiness.
Happiness.
Anushka and
Yeah, love and happiness, the two most important things in the world. I think when people will walk out of this film, we are all hoping, because that's what we've tried to do, that people will walk out very happy and content and fulfilled, because that's what the film is. So that's it, yeah.
So you worked with actors like Anushka Sharma, Kareena Kapoor, Shahid Kapoor. और कोई है आपके wish list में जिसके साथ आप काम करना पसंद करेंगे फ्यूचर में?
नहीं, वैसे ये भी बहुत बड़ी बात है जिन आर्टिस्टों का आपने नाम लिया. मैंने इतना भी नहीं सोचा अपने बारे में, तो ये अपने आप दे रहा है भगवान, ठीक है, बस ऐसे ही चलता रहे.
नहीं, इनकी ह्यूमिलिटी है, ये खुद इतने बड़े सुपरस्टार हैं एंड ही इज़ इन्होंने हमारी फिल्म करी एंड वी आर वेरी वेरी ग्रेटफुल फॉर दैट, बिकॉज हमारा जो एक विजुअल जो एक रेफरेंस थी इस कैरेक्टर के लिए, इन्होंने उसको एकदम एक नयापन दे दिया.